Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications in Slack. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and stop notifications on Slack. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack on your phone. Then click on your profile picture on the upper right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on notifications. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and turn off your notifications. So you can toggle all of these off. And that's basically one way to go ahead about doing it. The other way you can do it is that if you're on an Apple device, you could actually go into your settings tab. And on the bottom, you could actually search for the Slack app. And similarly, you could actually click on notifications and you can turn off notifications there as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and stop the notifications on Slack. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.